Today, I'll show you how to delete a database in Supabase. Deleting a database is a crucial task that ensures you keep your projects organized and secure. Whether you're cleaning up old projects or just need to start fresh, following these steps will help you manage your Supabase databases efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to visit the official Supabase website. So, open up your preferred web browser and type in supabase.com in the address bar. Once you've navigated to the website, you should see the Supabase homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your projects. If you're not logged in, just go ahead and enter your credentials. Next, you'll need to click on the Projects section. This is typically found in the main navigation menu. By clicking here, you'll be directed to a page displaying all your current projects. It's like the command center for all your Supabase databases, where you can manage everything from development to deployment. Once you're in the Projects section, look for the specific project whose database you want to delete. When you've located the correct project, you'll see a variety of options on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll find Project Settings. Click on it to proceed to the Settings page of your selected project. Now that you're in the project settings, you'll need to scroll down until you come across the Delete Project option. This section is usually towards the bottom of the page, so keep an eye out as you scroll. Clicking on Delete Project will initiate the deletion process, but don't worry, it won't delete anything just yet. At this point, to confirm the deletion, you'll be prompted to type in the name of the project. This is a safety step to ensure you don't accidentally delete the wrong database. Make sure to enter the project name exactly as it appears. It's crucial to double-check for any typos or errors because once you proceed, this action cannot be undone. Finally, after you've entered the project name correctly, you'll see an option that says, I understand, delete this project. Click on that to finalize the deletion process. By doing this, you confirm that you're aware of the implications and that you're ready to permanently delete the selected project. Once you've clicked this, the database associated with that project will be permanently removed from Supabase. And there you have it, the complete process of deleting a database in Supabase. Remember, this action is irreversible, so make sure you've backed up any necessary data before proceeding. Deleting databases you no longer need can help keep your workspace clean and your focus on current projects. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and guidance.